We've got our next presenter who is one of our very own. I would like to introduce and welcome Mr. Bharat Gupta from Green IT Co. Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Bharat? Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good morning, iSoda. Okay. While I was coming, I was just wondering something. कि India mein biggest event was going on AI event, and we all are here. So who going to do the selling in India for AI event? So I think should talk to to our PM, and we should tell कि AI event we also require in Almaty. But anyhow, it was a good start for India to host such a big event. And for that, with this, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you overview about the company Green ITCO. And maybe I'll tell you the little story about the Green ITCO, how Green ITCO started. So it was first myself, Bharat Gupta. I born and brought up in Agra, but I'm right now living in Mumbai from last 15 years. So I am both from Delhi and from Mumbai. Now, so my experience working with large corporate like Capgemini, Sodexo, Reliance, so many other companies that I worked for. And I stayed in Europe for around couple of years. And I was heading the entire Nordics in Capgemini as infrastructure head. So wherever I worked, I always have this problem of managing the assets. I tried every single tool in the world from IBM Mexico, Manage Engine, Freshdesk, everything what I tried it, but I could not solve my problem. What was my problem? How do I check the adapters, RAM, hard drive? How do I track that? Barcoding, QR code. So that's how it was born. So then I thought, so I went to my CEO that I want to develop a software which is unique to us. Who said, okay, why you want to get it in-house team to use it? Let's do one thing, let's outsource that. So then when he gave me that outsourcing idea, so if I have to put all my brain in developing, so why not develop my own product? So I developed a product for IT, for asset management, and I put it a website. My first inquiry was IRCTC. They loved the entire product and they asked us to do that, to give them a software. So I was very happy that first inquiry I got from IRCTC, such a big client. After 15 days, the tender opened up, and that time I don't have a company. So I have to let it go. So that was my first day learning. Then then how the Green IT Co is formed. The correct name, how do you pronounce it? It's Green IT Co. So the name is from Green IT company, but that's how we call it Green IT Co for it. So over a period of time, we have moved on. So now we are in the industry from last 10 years. This is quickly about us, how we have done. We are working silently. India's top 10 companies, out of 10, we are working out of 6 out of them. We are serving global customers for it. And we have presence in US, India, and in Dubai. We have own team over there. We are managing 3 million plus assets. We are handling 10 million tickets a year. That's what we are doing it. So we started with ITAM, and now we have a complete product suite that we have developed. And we have solved some unique problems that we have faced in India, especially related to the compliance part, which we have solved it. And that's why one of our biggest success stories is that we have 100% customer retention in last 9 years. So we never lost any single customer in last 10 years. And when you saw the customers, you will understand these are not small customers and not easy customers. They are very demanding, and that's what we're going to talk about. So consistent growth, what we have not very big, but we want to definitely want to pick up. That's why I am in ISODA. I want the entire world to cover up, and I need support. So that's why I want the partners which help me to grow, and that's the whole point. Now, we are the only company in the world, I would say, which manages the assets like from the company's cup to the entire cloud. entire consumables, printer, router, switches, table, chair, every single asset in the company for every single department, from engineering department to the cyber security department. We manage every single asset, and which includes the RFID tracking, which nobody does in the world. RFID plus. So there are specific tools like IBM tools, which does only the non-IT, and there are tools which are only does the IT part. What we does is that we combine both of them and we solve the problem. So the company does not have to look for multiple tools. Now these, so as I said, that we evolved over a period of time. I am being not, so I'm not from the salesperson or from the sales background or marketing background, but I am very good in technical side. And I was obsessed with one of the idea that if Microsoft or Instagram does not come to us to sell it, how did it become so big? Then I realized the good product always work. And that's how we have evolved over a period of time. We are getting more than 10 recurring references from our existing customers currently and from the partners. So these are the brands that we have created a specific verticals for it. One is AMG, which is Asset Management Global for tracking all the assets in the world. Next, Megabyte, specific to the ITSM part. ITM, that was because we started with word ITM. So you will, if you Google it, ITM will be coming as the first product. Then now it took us 5 years to develop the product. So what we would have done is we have started doing something else also to make sure the company is running. And that's how these 3 things are found. Maybe you will see it on very interesting. Maybe once you can have one-to-one. What are the 3 things for related to the non-IT part? Okay, so this is our product suite. One is asset management for IT, non-IT, ITSM, ticketing department for across all the department. It can be customized as per your business need. What does it mean? For example, if a legal department wants to use a ticketing system in which the process is contract drafting, contract signing, the process can be changed into your ITSM based on that. So same tool can be used by a legal department, and same can be used by software development department like Jira. So it's the same one tool for everything. Then remote desktop, procurement management, live monitoring, and patch management. So these are the 6 major modules that we have. Now these are the customers that I talked about earlier. Reliance, I will show you one of the success story that we have. L&T Technology Services, which is using one of our, for 60,000 employees worldwide, they are using for 17 departments. For all the assets and ticketing come to our platform for it, worldwide in all different time zones. And they are here, they are with us from last 4 years. RBI, Knight Frank. So I really like to thank Mr. Prashant sir and Randeep, who has given me, who has trusted us, and we have closed them. Also, other members have given us a lead, which is still going on, but these 2 things which we have already closed for it. So all of these are big names, which I talked about. Now some international clients. So Emirates, Dinata, which is again a big group, which we are managing that. Daniel Corsa, MG Motors, AirAsia, Sports Auto, one of the biggest in Malaysia for it. L&T Hydrocarbon in Saudi Arabia. So these, then Italy based. So these are the international customers that we have. Some Indian customers might be, you have, I'm sure you are aware about most of them. Some are mostly public listed companies. Some more. Sorry. Okay. So just to summarize it, what we does in asset management is that I'm just most specifically network discovery for IT, license management, software metering, software blacklisting softwares, everything is tracked on that. For admin department, so same assets, when it goes to the admin department, then it is RFID, asset reconciliation, gate pass generation, which is unique on that. For finance team, it is an integrated complete life cycle, which includes the FAR data integration, FAR register integration, depreciation calculate, which is one of our unique solution for it. Caro compliance, a mandatory Caro compliance, which every company have to follow in India. That compliance is taken care in our solution. For HR department, complete automation of taking asset. If they are doing terminating everything, everything is completely automated in the solution. For factories, we talk about the engineering companies or any large factories. there is a ROI, how much asset is used for how many hours. You can do that. You can have a part replacement. You can have a checklist in terms of a schedule maintenance. All this part of the entire asset management. And this all are also integrated with RFID and NFC tags. So if they want to automate the entire entry and exit of the process, you can do that. This is actually a L&T photo, which we have implemented RFID gates in the solution. And this is where the entire tags are read. And then whenever anybody takes the laptop in and out, automatically calculations are done. What is the use of it? There are many use cases in which if a particular company wants to track the assets which is going out and in from one stock room to another stock room, you can completely automate this process. Now, these are some of the use cases which I want to quickly talk about it. What problem we have solved for specific companies and what was the biggest challenge. So there were around, so in Reliance, we got a 30-page of scope of work, and they took almost 1 year for the POC. And then after the POC, right now the implementation is going on. What is the scope that we are talking about for 2,45,000 users, entire Reliance group? We are talking about for managing entire service desk on our tool. And the problem that we have solved, maybe we'll have a next year, I have a complete use case for you, but implementation is currently going on for that. And we have already implemented in one group of Geo. Now we'll be going to it for another 6 more groups for entire Reliance. So we have, what is the unique about this particular, we integrated with the WhatsApp, Teams, and there is a agentic AI. So agentic AI means that ticket will be automatically resolved by the agent in itself. If agent is not able to resolve the issue, then only it goes to the human. So that layer we have already been in our system, and it is customized based on your whatever data that we have received from your tickets and how your engineers have resolved over a period of time. So, and this tool also going to be used in Antilla and all the guest house in Jamnagar and the Reliance Petroleum plant for it. So that POC is done. I have a feedback from the Reliance, which I'm going to show it to you. L&T, one of our a big customer, we were able to save their 1.6 crore, which they were earlier spending. Which now all these companies have tried and using the big tools, which I do not want to put a name. But yes, if you are looking for a right tool, customization or a replacement, you can approach us, and I can assure you, your customers will never going to go somewhere else again. So these are some success stories that we have. Yeah, this is the testimony from from L&T, where we have completely moved their entire IT applications, ITSM, finance department, HR department, rest of the world, everything is on a single tool. A feedback from the Reliance that we got it. Thanks for conducting a successful POC, which is a big. It took 1 year for us to complete the POC. This is the first one is from the Knight Frank, which we have got it for successfully implementing the ITM over there. And trust me, they have tried everything, every single tool. Which problem the problem was related to the spatial discovery that they needed, which we were able to solve them. So what you are looking for, if you have a following problems, legacy system, on-premise legacy system. So we are only right now giving it on cloud SaaS model. Especially in banking sector, if you have any use cases, we'll talk about that. But if you're looking for legacies, have a problem of legacy system, modernization with AI, made in India product, complex, excellent customer service that you're looking for, limited budget you have, we come in the picture. The better for you, it is recurring money, better revenue, and solutions the customer is happy. So in the last mail, I don't know if Knight Frank you heard it, the feedback that Allied Digital was got for that one of the best product that you have got. So because we in MG in Knight Frank, it was given by Line Digital to us. So that was a feedback got by the line. So the CEO approached us, and they want to partner with us for the entire world. And Mr. Paresh Bhai was still going on the discussion how we going to project it. So Line Digital, even KPMG has approached us many times. They want to whitelist our product, but we have not said no to them. But they are after my life for integrating their solution with KPM, this particular part. So maybe do try. That's what I'm going to only say, that do try that. Give us a chance and you will not going to regret. So thank you again. With this, I like to close. Thanks once again. You can reach out to me on other one-to-one. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Vimesh bhai, for giving me this time.
Huge round of applause, please. Thank you, Mr. Bharat, for the wonderful presentation.